Apply ocean blue, then sky blue. Given fuchsian blue, then given lemon yellow and sky and orange. Apply lemon yellow, light green and deep green and fuchsian blue. First apply yellow oxide, then light brown. Then apply dark brown. And at last black shade. First apply lemon yellow, then light green and last dark green and fuchsian blue. Apply medium yellow, yellow oxide, light brown and apply sky blue, Prussian blue and at last lemon yellow. Given sky blue and apply dark brown and yellow oxide and at last black shade. Apply dark brown then apply yellow oxide. Same color, dark brown and yellow oxide. Apply dark brown and black. Apply dark brown and black, yellow oxide, yellow and black. Apply peach color and orange shade and dark, light brown shade. Apply vermilion and red. Caramel. Apply red. Apply grey shade. Apply cobalt blue, yellow. Apply pink, green, red, yellow. Apply red. Then apply black. Apply black. apply fuchsian blue shade. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment and subscribe my channel.